The most recommended yarn and crochet hook for those who are starting crochet is yarn that is, I don't know, at least not too thin. So it should be number 4 yarn, number 6 yarn, some yarn that is a bit thicker, both for you to see the stitches and also for you to handle the hook along with the yarn. This will make it much easier for you when learning the technique. You know, using thicker yarn and a bigger hook. And it will also make it easier for you to see your work developing, your work growing. If you start with very thin yarn and a very small hook, right, the crochet hook should always match the yarn you're working with. So if you start with very thin yarn, you'll have trouble seeing the stitches, and that can get in the way of your learning. And it might also make you feel a bit discouraged. Because you won't see your work grow, you have to spend a lot of time working on a piece before it takes shape and you start to feel satisfied seeing your work come together. If you want to become an exclusive student, I invite you to join Clube do Crochet, which is an exclusive space with over 300 step-by-step video lessons organized into more than 25 amazing courses to help you become a professional crocheter, a diamond level crocheter. Click on the link that will be in the description, visit our website to learn more and choose your plan. Become an exclusive student and become a professional crocheter, a diamond level crocheter.